Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to tell you about the Zenser Freshers Off-Campus Recruitment Drive for 2020 and 2021 pass-out student. I am going to tell you about every single important thing, single important point. So please watch the video till the end. So let me give you an intro about the company. So Zenser is a digital solution and technology service company which basically aims at achieving digital transformation. They have a strong track record of innovation, investment in digital solution and commitment to client. They also help their client achieve new threshold of performance. So this is about the Zenser company, and they are hiring student at a role of junior software engineer, and for this role you will be getting an amount of 4 lakh per annum as a salary. So for the selection, so for applying, you should match the eligibility criteria of the company. So a student who has pursued BE, BTech in CS or IT or MCA pass out in the year 2020 or 2021 is eligible, and also the applicant who is applying should have scored 60% throughout 10th, 12th and also in their graduation and post-graduation, and also they should cater to global clientele that works in the 24/7 models. Associated may be required to work in flexible time zones, and also one should be open to work across diverse technology platforms or as per business requirement. So this is the eligibility criteria. And also let me tell you about the work location. So one has to work from Zenser based location, which may be in Pune, Hyderabad, Bengaluru or in Kolkata or any client location in India. So there are some skills which have been mentioned here. If you have these skills, definitely you will be having some plus point. Like one should have good communication and interpersonal skills. One should portray strong and analytical and problem solving skills. One should have will to work in collaboration with team. One should demonstrate the ability to multitask and drive efforts in an agile way. One should have focused customer centric approach. Okay, so this is about the eligibility criteria. This is, I have told you about the work location and also the skills required to contribute for the company. So let me tell you about the selection process. So the selection process is basically based on online assessment test, which will be followed by a technical discussion and HR interview. And only the selected candidates are expected to join the company on 1 December 2021 or 15 December 2021. Okay, so this is all about the company. So if you are interested, okay, then you can apply online for Zenser recruitment drive by clicking at the registration now, and also the link is given below in the description. You can go through that link and can register. And one thing that one has to keep in mind, that only the shortlisted candidate will receive an email invite for further process. Okay, so opportunity is knocking at your door. Please apply as soon as possible you can. Till then, keep learning, keep watching and keep exploring yourself. Thank you so much.